Okay, just write down first example with me so that you can understand what is that example. Yeah, in the design of in the design of 30 HP 30 HP comma three phase comma 440 volt comma 1000 rpm 1000 rpm 50 hertz 50 hertz induction motor where the specific magnetic loading with 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 average value of with average value of flux density is is point 46 Weber per meter square. Full stop. Electrical loading with with ampere conductor is of is I am writing here 25,000 ampere conductor per meter. Okay, full stop. The full load efficiency of motor is 86% and power factor of 0.87. Find out main dimension for overall good design where winding factor is 0.955. Winding factor is 0.955. Okay, now this is the given example to you. Now what we have to do, we have to find out the main dimensions in the sense we have to find the D and EL. Now what we will write the given things, what given things are given to us, that we will write first and then we will go for the solving the example. Okay, so first of all read the example from where they have given. पहिल्यांदा काय दिलं बघा, त्यांनी पहिल्यांदा काय सांगितलंय 30 HP. ओके, म्हणजे किती HP ची मोटर आहे, it is of what 30 HP. Okay, then 3 phase 440 volt. NS किती व्हॅल्यू दिले, सिंक्रोनस स्पीड, that is of what 1000 rpm, कॉमा फ्रिक्वेन्सी दिलेली आहे. त्याच्यानंतर पुढे काय म्हणलं बघा, स्पेसिफिक मॅग्नेटिक लोडिंग with average value of flux density is 0.46 Weber per meter square. म्हणजे कशाची व्हॅल्यू आहे, it is the value of VAV which is of what 0.46 Weber per meter square. Then ampere conductor कशाची व्हॅल्यू आहे, that is A suffix small c, किती दिले 25,000 ampere conductor per meter, comma. Then efficiency, full load efficiency. Efficiency किती दिली 86%, comma. Power factor किती दिलेला आहे, this is the power factor. Okay, how much it is 0.87. Okay, and winding factor kW किती दिलेला आहे, what will be the value of kW 0.955. आणि इथे त्यांनी काय सांगितलं पहा, फॉर ओव्हरऑल गुड डिझाइन. फॉर ओव्हरऑल गुड डिझाइन मीन्स व्हॉट, द रेशियो ऑफ L बाय टाऊ इज इक्वल टू 1. व्हाय, बिकॉज त्यांनी काय सांगितलंय, फॉर ओव्हरऑल गुड डिझाइन. फॉर ओव्हरऑल गुड डिझाइन द रेशियो ऑफ L बाय टाऊ इज इक्वल टू 1. ओके, सगळ्यांनी गिवन थिंग्स लिहून घ्या. एव्हरीबडी राईट डाऊन गिवन थिंग्स सो दॅट वी कॅन अंडरस्टँड व्हॉट वी हॅव टू सॉल्व. ओके, लिहिले का सगळ्यांनी? एव्हरीबडी हॅज रिटन डाऊन दी गिवन थिंग्स. पुढे जायचंय का? लिहून घेतले का सगळ्यांनी?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what we will do, we can proceed further. आता पहा, we will start the solving the example. हे पूर्ण रफ करतोय मी. Now see, first of all, see how to solve the example. What will be the formula for kVA? The formula for kVA is equal to C0 D square L NS. Okay, whether we are having the value of kVA, no, but what is given here in the example, the rating of motor in HP. So how to convert that in kVA? What is the formula? See, kVA is equal to what, EHP into, तुम्हाला त्या दिवशी काल आपल्या लेक्चरला फॉर्म्युला सांगितलाय 0.746 divided by efficiency into power factor. Now how many HP motor they have given? 30 HP into 0.746 divided by, now see here, efficiency 86%. Actually efficiency काय, efficiency बघा इकडे 86%. 86% म्हणजे त्याचा अर्थ काय, 86 divided by 100 म्हणजे काय नाही, that is nothing but the 0.86. ओके, त्यामुळे घेताना 86% efficiency घ्यायचं नाही. You have to take it as the what, 0.86. Okay, so it is a what, 0.86 into power factor. How much it is given power factor? 0.87. So find out the value of kVA. किती kVA येते सांगा? How many kVA it is of what? Simple calculation आहे. Only mathematical calculation is there. 30 into 0.746 divided by 0.86 into 0.87. So tell me the value of what I can say, kVA. What will be that value? सांगा किती व्हॅल्यू येते सांगा. कॅल्क्युलेटर वर कॅल्क्युलेट करा. व्हॉट व्हॅल्यू यू आर गेटिंग? कुणाला भेटली आहे का नाही? Tell me the what value you are getting?
29.91.
Okay, correct. It is of what? 29.91 kVA. This is the kVA. Okay. Now what we have to do? आता ह्याच्यात आपल्याला अजून काय फाइंड आउट करायचं? C0. So how to find C0? What will be the formula? C0 is equal to 1.11 pi square BAV AC kW into 10 raised to minus 3. So put all the values here. 1.11 pi square into what will be the value of BAV now? It is BAV की value 0.46 into AC. How many ampere conductors? 25,000 ampere conductors into kW. Winding factor किती दिलाय? 0.955 into 10 raised to minus 3. So find out this value of C0. What will be the value of C0? Only multiplication is there. Only multiplication is there. काय व्हॅल्यू होती सांगा?
12.
किती?
120.3.
Okay, correct. 120.31. Now it is the one of the constant, so it doesn't having any unit. Now what we have to do? We have to put this value and this value into the our KVA equation. Okay, so what will be that? See here, I'm writing here. What will be the KVA equation? KVA is equal to C0 D square L NS. Okay, KVA किती मिळालाय? 29.91 into C0 ची व्हॅल्यू 120.31 into D square L माहित नाहीये. आता NS सिंक्रोनस स्पीड इन RPS आपल्याला देताना सिंक्रोनस स्पीड कशात दिलाय? RPM मध्ये. मग त्याला जर RPS मध्ये करायचं असलं तर काय करणार? डिवाइडेड बाय 60. So from this equation, find out the value of D square L. What will be the value of D square L from this equation? Simple calculation आहे. D square L ची value directly find out करायची आहे. What will be the value of D square L?
0.12.
0.12. एकदा चेक करा बरं, अजून एकदा कॅल्क्युलेशन करा व्यवस्थित.
0.0149.
Correct. 0.0149. This is the equation number 1. Okay, this is the equation number 1. Now what is given to us? Second thing आपल्याला काय दिले? हे आपण ही आपली पहिली स्टेप झाली. काल आपण बघितलं होतं डी स्क्वेअर एल चं इक्वेशन काढायचं. नेक्स्ट स्टेप व्हॉट इज गिवन? फॉर ओव्हरऑल गुड डिझाइन द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ L by tau is equal to 1. Okay, L by tau is equal to 1. But what will be the value of tau? I already said to you, L divided by tau ची value काय? Pi d divided by P. That is equal to 1. Okay, just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. Laptop charging is on. Okay, now see here, L by tau value is equal to 1. When we have put it into the formula, so what it becomes? जर मी फॉर्म्युल्यात पुट केलं तर काय होणार आहे? हे P काय होणार आहे? P जर वर गेलं तर काय होणार आहे? PL divided by pi d is equal to 1. But see, whether we know the value of P, number of poles तुम्हाला दिलेले आहेत का example मध्ये? No. So how to find out the number of poles? See, there is a simple formula. We are having the formula for synchronous speed. NS is equal to 120 F by P. So how to find out P? P is equal to 120 F divided by NS. Now this NS you have to take in RPM. हे RPM मध्ये घ्यायचंय. त्यामुळे किती व्हॅल्यू येते बघा? P ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करा. काय येणार आहे? P is equal to 120 into frequency 50 Hz divided by NS किती आहे? किती RPM दिले? 1000 RPM. So find out the value of P.
6.
Correct. Number of pole is nothing but the 6. Now put all this value into this equation. कुठला equation? ह्या equation मध्ये ठेवा. So what it will happen? See here. 6L divided by pi d is equal to 1. Okay. So what will happen? आता मी काय करतो? तिकडे नेतो. म्हणजे मला काय करायचं? L equation in terms of d पाहिजे. So what it will happen? L is equal to pi d divided by 6. So tell me, equation of L in terms of d. L is equal to how many times d येते सांगा? ह्याचं कॅल्क्युलेशन करा. पाय बाय 6 किती येते कॅल्क्युलेशन करा आणि एल इन टर्म्स ऑफ डी सांगा. एल इज इक्वल टू हाऊ मेनी टाइम्स?
0.50
करेक्ट, 0.523 d. This is the equation number 2. Now what to do? Put this value L is equal to 0.523d into the equation number 1. ह्या इक्वेशन मध्ये पुट करा व्हॅल्यू. सो काय आता आपले हे इक्वेशन काय बघा, d square L is equal to 0.0149. So if I put this value, so what it will become? D square is equal to L value 0.523 d is equal to 0.0149. आता ह्याचं काय करणार आहे, मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलं तर 0.523 d क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 0.0149 आणि d क्यूब इज इक्वल टू काय येणार आहे 0.0149 डिवायडेड बाय 0.523. आता हे जर तुम्ही काय करा, डिवायडेशन करा आणि क्यूब रूट काढा, त्याच्यावरून तुम्हाला कशाची व्हॅल्यू मिळणार आहे, यू विल गेट दी व्हॅल्यू ऑफ डी. सो टेल मी व्हॉट इज दी व्हॅल्यू ऑफ डी.
.30.
How much it is? Correct. The value of D I am writing here. Here I am writing D is equal to 0.30. त्याच्या पुढे अजून एक काय आहे 0.3054 meter. Okay. This is the value of D. Now what you have to do? Put this value of D into any one of equation. Either put in equation number 2 or either put in equation number 1. That is your choice. But I think this equation is somewhat easy. So put this value here. L is equal to 0.523 into D. So 0.523 into value of D 0.305. So find out the value of L now.
0.159.
0.159. Correct. It is in meter. So this is the value of L. Everybody got it? How to solve the example? Main dimensions means what we have to find out? We have to just find out the value of D and L. Only that much we have to do. This is the very simple example. Okay. In this example, what they have given? First of all, they have given the rating of the motor. They have given the different data, and they said that find the value of D and L. Okay. सगळ्यांनी लिहून घेतले का? लिहून घ्या, व्यवस्थित लिहून घ्या example. Write down this example very carefully. I will wait for 5 minutes. Write down this example very carefully. Write down this, because when you understand this procedure, how to solve the example, then it is what I can say, it is not difficult to solve the remaining example. Why? Because whenever we are solving the next design example, that time our basic what I can say, our basic important point is to find out the value of D and L correctly, so that what happen, next design is going to be easy one. जर D आणि L ची व्हॅल्यू जर तुमची चुकली तर पुढचं डिझाइन पूर्ण चुकणार आहे, whenever we are going to solve the next example. So that's why in the basic example, what we have to do, we have to find out the value of D and L very correctly. Write down very example carefully. कशात काय पुट करायचे, कुठली व्हॅल्यू किती घ्यायचे हे लक्षात आलं पाहिजे. देन इट विल बी व्हेरी इझी टू सॉल्व द एक्झाम्पल. कंप्लीटेड? लिहिले का एक्झाम्पल सगळ्यांनी? Okay, Lileka, we will erase now. Now we will write the second example. Just write down similar type example is there. Yeah. Calculate the diameter and length of stator for three-phase induction motor with 120 kilowatt, 2200 volt, 50 hertz, 750 rpm, with following details. Okay, what they have given? They have given BAV is equal to 0.48 Weber per meter square, ampere conductor 26,000, efficiency 92%, power factor 0.88, and L is equal to 125 times tau, winding factor Kw is equal to 0.95. Okay, now this is the given example to us. What they have said, find out the value of diameter and length. Similar example is there, only what change is there? Here they have mentioned the rating of that induction motor in kilowatt. In previous one, what it has been mentioned? It has been mentioned in the, what I can say, in the HP. Okay. Example लिहून घेतले का सगळ्यांनी? Everybody has written down the example. फक्त given things लिहून घ्या. Just write down the given things. Okay. Now we will try to solve this example. Okay. You can rejoin it so that we can proceed for the solving example. You can rejoin it now.